In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a slideshow layout. So when we're finished, we're going to have slides that transition from right to left into the content space that is on your page. So to get started, I'm going to create a new subpage. And I'm going to give it a title, how to create a slideshow layout. And I'm going to select the layout option, Slides.js. And then I'm going to create new HTML elements for each content section or each slide that I want to have in this layout. So I'll create two here, or two more. So I'll have 3 slides. And then the slides, like column 1, 2, and 3 layouts, the title of each HTML element is just for documentation purposes. But I'm going to call this HTML slide 1 just so I know what it is. And then if I want a subheadline here, subheadline slide 1. And then I'm going to grab some copy and I'll paste that into my slide. Okay, so there's my first slide. So I'm going to do the same thing for each additional slide that I put in here. And again, I can have any kind of content. So if I want to do inner pages or something a bit more complex, I can add those as well. And I'm going to put different content in here so you can see the transition. And I'll add one more slide for my third slide. And this is just a general good idea. If the title is not going to be displayed for a particular layout, I would still give it a good name so that when you are referencing this thing, say through the Contents tab, you'll see that I can see all 3 slides here. If they're all named HTML, it would be very difficult to figure out which is which. So here's my subheadline for slide 3, and I'll grab some content here. I'll take a different paragraph as well. I'm just using the keyboard to copy and paste, so Control-C, Control-V type thing. Alright, so now I'm just going to review, go back to my page tab, and see that I've got the layout set up. Now, one thing that I forgot to do that you have to do here, you have to set the width of each slide. So the width is going to be equal to the content space available on your page. So, for example, if I save this, my slides are going to look sort of odd. They're going to be really tall and skinny, and this is not what you want. So this is why you need to set the width for each slide. So I'm going to scroll down. This will be a challenge to my slideshow running probably. Alright, I've got the editor back open here, and I'm going to go and change the width for each slide. So on my site, I know that the content space is 670 pixels wide. So you just go into mini edit on each slide, and if you scroll to the bottom, you'll see display size here, 670 px. And I'm going to go do that for each slide that I have. Alright, here's the third slide. So now I've got the slideshow width set up. Now when I save it, you'll see my slides transition in. And the content area changes based on the content that's in the slide. So that's it for the slideshow layout. Pretty simple and easy. Again, you can add advanced content layouts in these sections if you need to.